Hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal, and in this video, I'm going to share with you about social media strategies for 2022. I'm going to share with you what is my focus in 2022 as in terms of social media. Okay, so this is going to be very interesting for all of you. Make sure that you watch this complete video. So we are now heading towards 2022 year. Okay, and I'm going to share with you 5 points about this topic. Okay, and most of the times people get confused about what platform to use, what type of content to create, all those kind of things. So I'm going to share with you my strategies. Okay, so my focus for 2022 would be three. Okay, I'm going to focus on average versus world class, which means what I have realized is in last 1 or 2 years I have realized that on internet there are so much of junk information. There's so much of junk information, and this is actually impacting mindset of people. And one of the reason for bad quality of life and depression and anxiety, one of the main reason is not pandemic. It is not about coronavirus and all those kind of thing. It is about too much of content. Okay, this is content overloading. Because of too much of content overloading and so much of junk data, entertainment, and unnecessary useless data, because of that people are basically feeling totally insecure, okay, and full of anxiety. So that's why my focus for 2022 would be to come out of this average word and go into world class mode. So I have always focused on creating quality content, and I'm going to focus on creating more and more world class quality content. So I'm not focusing on only how to increase the subscribers and how to impress people by all kind of shiny objects, but I'm going to focus on creating value, okay, in terms of world class quality value. This is one of my focus. And yeah, I understand many people will not relate to the skills and the kind of value which I give, because most of the people, they have the habit of watching. They are more fond of watching entertainment and stuff like that. But yes, very few people who watch me, they understand the kind of content which I create. So in 2022 you will find much more quality content, and this is going to be world class quality. Now second, my focus would be to share with you deep mindset lessons. As I just discussed that because of too much of junk data on internet, and subconsciously people are unconsciously people are consuming such kind of content because everybody has internet, everybody is at home. Now this unconscious effort of consuming such type of content, this is actually, you can say, affecting the mindset of the people. And all the talent, all the skills, all the focus, people are losing that. Okay, now the thing is, I'm going to focus more and more on deep mindset lessons. Just consider internet as a vast, very wide ocean, and my YouTube channel, my whatever social media platforms, I literally want my social media platforms or YouTube as an island. Consider this as an island in huge ocean, and I literally want anybody who comes to my island to find world class quality value. And that's why I want to improve the mindset of the people by giving them, by impressing them, by giving good quality valuable content. Okay, so I'm not going to focus on any shiny objects, or I'm not going to focus on the graphical side of my videos. I'm going to focus on the mindset and the strategical things, so that I can improve people's life. Okay, so that is another thing. And third thing, I'm going to focus on, because I'm going to focus more and more on the mindset and how to ultimately my main aim is to help people to save their business from themselves. There's so many people who are talented, they know how to do business, but because they are not able to remain focused for a long time, that is why many people are killing their own business. So through my content in 2022, I literally want to impact people's life. I don't want to just entertain you. I literally don't want you to just watch my YouTube videos only for while eating, or while just passing time. No, not at all. This is going to be little more deep mindset lessons in coming year. Okay, so this is my focus. Okay, and I literally want you to consider my YouTube channel as an island where you will find everything truly world class. Okay, so this is going to be my focus in 2022. Okay, when I say this, now let's consider what I'm going to do. Okay, so there are two form of content: long form content and short form content. And I'm going to focus, my 80% of my focus would be on creating a long form content. Okay, because if I have to work on your mindset, if really I have to give you value, I need some time. Okay, in just creating 15 seconds, 30 seconds videos, I can grab attention, but I cannot give you value. So my main intention is not to grab attention, but also to give you immense amount of value. So that's why I'm going to focus more and more on long form content. When I say long form content, I mean to say my number one priority will be YouTube, and on YouTube I'm going to upload more and more YouTube tutorials. Though I am very consistent on YouTube, but still I am going to give more and more. I mean, every alternate day, that is my aim. Every alternate day, I'm going to give you some very deep YouTube tutorials, and yeah, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the link. Okay. Now, second is I'm also going to focus on podcast. Okay, so if in case you have not watched my podcast yet, I will suggest you to go to this link, www.dnaclub.in/podcast. If you go to this link, okay, you can listen to my podcast on any platform like Spotify. You can listen it on Spotify, okay, like this, or Apple Podcast, or maybe Google Podcast. Okay, so you can search my name, Tarun Agarwal, on Spotify, Apple Podcast, or Google Podcast, and you will find it. Or else you can go to dnaclub.in/podcasts, and you can listen from here also. Okay, click here and you can navigate to that particular app. So I'm going to focus more and more on the podcast. I already have around 20 plus episodes in 2022. I'm going to focus on uploading at least 15, 20, more than 20 minutes audio files here, because when you listen to me through podcast, mostly people listen to the podcast on the go, okay, while traveling or while walking, okay, or when they are into gym or they are cooking, okay, when they are doing something, they just listen. The same way I also listen to so many podcasts, and I literally don't like watching so much of Instagram reel kind of stuff. I literally learn through so many podcasts. Okay, so this is a really deep learning. So I'm going to focus more and more on podcast in 2022. Third is webinars. So YouTube 15-20 minutes tutorial, podcast 20-30 minutes episodes, okay, audio episodes, audio experience. Now in webinar, I'm going to literally do more and more webinars, more quality webinars. And if you have not watched any of my webinar, you can go to this link, www.dnaclub.in/webinar, and register for my upcoming webinar. And on your email, I will notify you for next upcoming webinar. So every week I have planned to do at least 2 live webinars every week. So this is my focus in 2022, to deliver you more and more quality stuff through my live webinars. Also, sometimes I do workshops. So in 2022, I'm aiming to do more live paid workshops, 199 rupees workshops, and I want to do this for 3 hours. Okay, at least 3 hours in one sitting. So through Zoom breakout room experiences, this is truly a world-class learning experience. So through webinar is a one-way learning experience, but through workshops you can interact with me, you can interact with other people in the group. So this is going to be a group learning experience. So I'm going to focus more and more on giving you group learning experience. Also, fifth point is I'm going to also focus on blogs. Now I understand many people don't like to read things, they want to watch things through YouTube, but blog is a great way to have more and more traffic in your website, because you can do search engine optimization. So I'm going to be more active on blogs. So go to www.dnaclub.in/blogs. Okay, so this way, these are the content types or the platforms where I'm going to focus more and more. So my 80% focus would be on this. And when I talk about 20% short form content, so I'm going to focus on Instagram, yes, obviously, and Instagram Reels, very good. It is an amazing way to reach out to so many people. But only through Reels I cannot give you value. But yes, through Reels I'm going to focus to reach more and more people, and then ultimately bring them to my long form content here. And then also quotes. So many times I I say something one liner, some mindset related things. Again, intention is to give you some world class quality learning experience and also to improve your mindset. So I'm going to all the my one liners like this. Building business without any system is a hope business. By doing so, you are gambling with your life and life of your loved ones. So these kind of mind bulb on moments, bulb on or mind opener kind of one liner statements, I'm going to focus more and more creating this. So if you're not connected with me on Instagram, go to Instagram and search for Tarun Clean, Klien, Tarun Klien. Okay, and also I'm going to focus on sharing what is happening in my real life through the stories. So this is my focus. I'm not focusing much on Facebook. So my next focus would be on Telegram. Through Telegram, I am building a community of the people, especially network marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches. And if you want all the latest updates about what is happening, if you don't want to miss any of my webinar, sometimes you may miss reading my emails, then you can join this Telegram group and I will notify you about all the latest updates happening. Okay, so this is the Telegram group. Okay, and now the third thing, I'm also going to focus more and more on emails. So email is also a great way to have a greater bond and connection with my audience. So that's why if you're not in my email list, if you register for my webinar, consistently you will receive emails from my site. Okay, so don't worry, I'm not going to spam you, but I'm going to give you more and more good quality stuff through email, so you can stay connected with me. Got it? So my focus would be on long form content, basically 80%, and all these things also I'm going to do, but not focusing much on this. Right now, let's go to the fourth point. And yeah, so these are the content which I'm going to put. But in terms of content, which is a paid content, I'm going to focus more and more about improving DNA Club. So especially in 2022, there are some more and more value I'm going to add in my paid community. DNA Club is Digital Networker Academy for network marketers, affiliate marketers, or any person who is into online business and who is looking for creating a business in a systematic approach, like how to generate leads by creating a system where you create lead magnet and then inviting them for a one-on-one meeting or webinar. So it is a proper systematic based approach to build your online business. Now in DNA Club 2022, I'm going to focus on more and more on improving network marketing automation systems. Also, I'm going to fine tune systems. I'm going to record some more new videos. There's a DNA Platinum membership. I'm going to reshoot all the videos in DNA Platinum, making it more crisp, making it more result oriented. I mean more value. So as I'm going to add more value, I'm going to increase the price of DNA Club also in 2022, maybe in the first quarter. So, and also I'm going to focus on helping network marketers to build multiple income streams without losing focus from network marketing. Now, because on internet you can see there are so many ways to make money, like cryptocurrency is there, like share market trading, and there's so many things happening. I understand, I'm not a financial guru, but at the same time I believe that all these things will come and go. Okay, all these things will come. In every 5 years you will see there's something coming up. Maybe in future you will find some artificial intelligence, some robotic things. So all these things will keep on coming up. So what I suggest to all the network marketers or affiliate marketers who are building business right now, I literally suggest you not to change your business, make changes in the business. Because whenever you get distracted, and these are the shiny objects, when you see somebody sharing his payment dashboard, like today I made 20,000, 30,000 rupees, so it is very easy to get distracted from the own business and you go and be attracted to the another business. So avoid this. Okay, be focused on your own business and build multiple income streams around your own one thing. And my one thing is going to be network marketing only, because this is an amazing industry. So in long run, there's so many network marketers who because of this too much of content overloading, there's so many networkers, affiliate marketers, sometimes they lose focus, or sometimes sometimes their belief in the industry shakes. Okay, so I would suggest you to consider network marketing as a huge opportunity coming up. Okay, because still people are not building network marketing in a proper systematic approach. If we can give a proper systematic approach to this concept, to our industry, now future is so bright for network marketing that I have to use sunglasses, not specs. Okay, so this is so bright. So don't shake your belief on network marketing. Continue doing this, but yes, you must add multiple income streams to support your main business. Okay. And also in DNA Club, I'm going to focus on this. Also, I'm going to focus on community-based learning. So right now we have a community of 600 plus people, and in future I'm going to focus on adding more and more people. And this is going to be a global. This is a global community already. So right now in our DNA Club community, we have people from India, Pakistan, Philippines, Canada, UAE, USA, Bangladesh, Hong Kong, Ivory Coast, Africa, Hungary. So we already have people from multiple countries. And just imagine that you will be part of a community where you get a community-based learning. You will not only get some videos, recorded videos, but also you will get an access to learn from people from other countries and other companies also. So this is going to be a great learning experience. So in 2022, I'm going to focus more and more on giving you community based learning, okay, by giving you some breakout room experiences, and also by giving you some weekly assignments so that you stay on track, okay, without losing focus from our main business, network marketing. Also in 2022, I'm also going to add some more templates, done for you templates, some scripts, or maybe some mind maps, some presentations which are ready to use. So if you're part of DNA Club, I'm going to give you some ready to use templates which you can use in your own business, so that I literally want to cut short your learning curve so that you focus on the action rather than only learning. So this is my aim in 2022, mainly automation and improving your predictability in your business, because many networkers, they consider their business as a fluctuating business, and I'm going to focus on improving the predictability. Okay, so if our business is predictable, if you can predict you can make 30,000, 50,000 per month, this is an amazing way, and then it is time to scale it up. Okay, so this is my focus. If you're still not part of my community, I would suggest you to go to this link, dnaclub.in/gold, www.dnaclub.in/gold. So if you've already attended any of my live webinars, and you already know about the kind of quality I can give to you, so I would suggest you to directly go and join this community today only. Okay, and yes, so if you want to join this community, go to www.dnaclub.in/gold. And I literally want you to consider DNA Club is not just another online course where you get some recorded videos and you can watch it with lifetime access, and it is very easy to procrastinate. But no, it is going to be a community based learning. Every Wednesday 7:30 p.m. I meet my community members, and it is a truly world class quality experience. And also in DNA Club, you are going to get some done for you templates. I literally don't want to give you a course where you have to learn for 60 days or 90 days to get some results. No, not at all. I literally want to cut short your learning curve to only 10 days or 15 days, so that you start generating some results and also make money from multiple income streams without losing focus from our main business, that is network marketing. So this is my focus, okay, for this entire year 2022. I'm really looking forward for this new year 2022, and I would if you want, copy of this mind map. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put link of this mind map in the video description. You can download this mind map, and you can just revise what I've discussed with you today. Also, if you have not attended, if you don't know anything about my DNA Club community, in that case I would suggest you to go to this link. This is the link, okay, www.dnaclub.in/blueprint. Go to this link and get access to my automated webinar. Okay, so once you enter your name, email ID, WhatsApp number, once you visit this link, then immediately you will get access to my masterclass. You can watch it at your own pace, because this is an automated webinar, and take action. Okay, so just understand what I'm sharing with you: building network marketing business 100% online, without convincing anybody, without any paid advertisement, and without getting confused at all. Okay, so go ahead and watch this automated webinar. But if you already know me, if you already have attended my webinars, so directly you can go to this link and be part of my amazing community. Got it? So check out links in the description. All the best, and also let me know what are your plans. What is your number one platform you are going to focus in 2022? In the comment option below, share your number one platform. My number one platform is YouTube, and number two platform is podcast. What are yours? Share in the video comment box. Okay, all the best. Subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.